Our next player up in the first set is number 2, Shreyas Iyer, the batter from India. Kolkata at 2 crore. On my far right now with Kolkata Knight Riders at 2 crore. Delhi Capitals at 10 crore. Kolkata considers at 10 crore in the center of the room with the Delhi Capitals team. Anybody else coming in? 26.75. Punjab comes back at 26.75. And Delhi is done. All done for Shreyas Iyer, and we are selling last chance then for the Punjab Kings at 26 crore and 75 lakh. Well done Punjab. Shreyas Iyer becomes the most expensive player so far in the IPL. There we go, and let's open up here at a price of 2 crore please. At 2 crore for Yuzvendra Chahal. Do I have anybody coming in at 2 crore? At 2 crore, do we have any bids at all? Any teams coming in at 2 crore 20 say Chennai Super Kings. At 2 crore 20, 240 say Gujarat, 260 say CSK, 280 say Gujarat, 3 crore say CSK. All done. 18 crore it is. At 18 crore, Punjab comes back at 18. All done. At 18 crore with the Punjab Kings ahead of everybody else. Last chance for any other team to come in, lift your paddle. All through and selling on my left. Yuzvendra Chahal will go to the Punjab Kings at 18 crore. Sold for you Punjab Kings at 18. And our first player to start us off today is going to be number 5, Arshdeep Singh. At 2 crore, last chance. Thank you, Chennai Super Kings. Welcome. At 2 crore, up front, it's the Chennai Super Kings. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? Give them a few seconds. Yes, you would. So at 18 crore, Arshdeep Singh will go to the Punjab Kings, who execute their right to match option. Sold with the Punjab Kings there at 18 crore. Thank you both very much. Number 26. This is Marcus Stoinis from Australia. And why don't we open here at 2 crore please? At 2 crore, do I have any bids coming in? At 2 crore. 460, thank you sir. At 460 with Chennai now at 460. No, they would not. At LSG, it does not want the option, so the player stays with the Punjab Kings. And will go, Marcus Stoinis goes to the Punjab Kings at 11 crore. Sold to you, thank you so much. Marco Jansen coming up there, and we have an opening bid of 1 crore and 25 lakh. At 1 crore and 25 lakh to start us off, do I have anyone in the room coming in? At 1 crore 40 now with the Mumbai Indians. At 1 crore 40, not yours Punjab. At 1 crore 40, 150 say Punjab. At 280, ahead of you Punjab, it's with the Titans. At 2 crore 80, 3 crore say Punjab. 320, Titans comes back, 340 Punjab. 360 for the Titans, 380 Punjab. 4 crore is the Titans, 420 Punjab. And 40 for Gujarat, 460 the Punjab. 480 the Titans, 5 crore Punjab, 525 Gujarat. All done. At 7 crore then, still with Punjab Kings. Anybody else coming in? At 7 crore. Any other team coming in at 7 crore ahead of everybody else. On the far left of the room with the Punjab Kings. Not yours, anybody else at 7 crore. And I'm selling, all done, all through then, and selling at 7 crore for Punjab Kings. Sold. Marco Jansen goes to the Punjab Kings at 7 crore. Our next player up, this is number 52, which is Nehal Vadera. And again, let's open here at a price of 30 lakh, please. 30 lakh opening price for Nehal Vadera at 30 lakh. All through, completely sure now at 4 crore and 20 lakh. And selling then to the Punjab Kings. Yeah, it's with you. 4 crore 20 at 4 crore and 20 lakh. All done and selling on my left for the Punjab Kings at 4 crore and 20 lakh. Punjab Kings, it's yours. Let's see, we do have an RTM option. Let us see. Does Mumbai Indians wish to exercise their RTM option? No, they do not. So the player will stay with the Punjab Kings then at 4 crore and 20 lakh. Sold to you, Punjab. number 23. This is Glenn Maxwell, the Australian all-rounder. And can we open at 2 crore, please? At 2 crore for Glenn Maxwell. Let's see if Punjab is going to round that up. At 280 currently. 3 crore from Punjab. All through then, ahead of everybody else. Anybody else coming in at 4 crore and 20 lakh, all through, and selling then on my left to the Punjab team at 4 crore and 20. Sold for the moment. Let's see if RCB would like to exercise their RTM option. No, they would not. The player stays with the Punjab Kings. Glenn Maxwell, newest addition to Punjab Kings at 4 crore 20. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is Priyansh Arya. And 30 lakh, please to open Priyansh Arya at 30 lakh. Thank you, Delhi Capital, straight up. 50 lakh is Delhi. 55, Punjab. 260, say Punjab. 280, say RCB. 3 crore, Punjab. Anybody else coming in? For Priyansh Arya at 3 crore and 80 lakh, all done. I'm selling then to the Punjab Kings at 3 crore 80 lakh. Sold for Punjab at 3 crore 80. Thank you. Number 102. This is Josh Inglis, Australia. And let's open up here at 2 crore, please, for the wicketkeeper. At 2 crore, did I see a bid go up? Thank you, SRH. At 2 crore now, straight back of the room with the Sunrisers at 2 crore. 260, say Punjab. Done. At 2 crore 60, still with Punjab, ahead of everybody else. At 2 crore 60, then last chance in the room at 2 crore 60 lakh. Punjab, it's yours at 2 crore and 60 lakh. Thank you. Our next player up is going to be Azmatullah Omarzai from Afghanistan. And we can open here at 1 crore and 50 lakh, please. At 1 crore 50. At 1 crore 60, Punjab comes in. 170 for CSK. 240. Done. At 2 crore 40 with Punjab now. Are we all through then? At 2 crore and 40 lakh, I will sell to the Punjab Kings. Fair warning for all the other teams. All through, all done. And selling to Punjab at 2 crore and 40 lakh. For you, Punjab, at 2 crore 40, we do have a right to match option from Gujarat Titans, who will not be executing it, and the player will stay with the Punjab Kings at 2 crore 40 lakh. Sold. This is Lockie Ferguson from New Zealand. And let's open here at an opening bid of 2 crore, please, for Lockie Ferguson at 2 crore. At 2 crore now, Punjab has come in at 2 crore. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? Anybody else raising a paddle at 2 crore? I will sell to Punjab then. All completely done, all completely sure. And we are selling to Punjab Kings at 2 crore. Sold at 2 crore. There is an RTM option for RCB. Let's see if they would like to exercise it. No, they say no, they would not. The player goes to Punjab at 2 crore. Thank you so much. This is going to be number 76. This is Vaishak Vijay Kumar. At 30 lakh, any bids? Thank you, SRH, at 30 lakh. At 35 lakh, not yours, SRH. Titans have come in at 35. 50 lakh, say Gujarat, Punjab. 55 lakh, say Gujarat. Fair warning and selling to the Punjab Kings at 1 crore and 80 lakh. Sold at 1 crore 80 lakh. Let's see if there is a interest to execute. No right to match interest from RCB. The player will stay with the Punjab Kings at 1 crore and 80 lakh. Sold. Thank you. This is number 74, Yash Thakur. Anybody coming in at 30 lakh? Any team raising a paddle? At 30 lakh for Yash Thakur, 70 for Punjab, not yours Gujarat, 75 for the Titans. Last chance if you'd like to bid at 1 crore 60. The player will go to the Punjab team, all done, and selling for Punjab at 1 crore and 60 lakh. Punjab, it's yours at 1 crore 60. Thank you so much. Our next player up is number 53. This is Harpreet Brar. And we can open here at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, do we have bid anywhere for Harpreet Brar? In the room at 30 lakh. Any opening bids at all at 30? Anybody coming in at 30 lakh? Done. At 1 crore 50, it's with Punjab, not yours Mumbai. At 1 crore and 50 lakh, all done. At 1 crore 50 and selling then. Again, last chance if anybody would like to bid. 1 crore 50 and the player will go to Punjab at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Sold at 1 crore 50 to Punjab. Thank you so much. We have Aaron Hardy from Australia. Aaron Hardy. And 1 crore 25 lakh. Please opens for Aaron Hardy. 1 crore 25 is the opening bid. At 125 now it's with the Kings. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 125 with the Punjab Kings. Anybody else coming in ahead? I will sell on my left then to the Punjab Kings for 1 crore and 25 lakh. Yours Punjab at 1 crore and 25 lakh for Aaron Hardy. Vishnu Vinod. And let's open at 30 lakh please for Vishnu Vinod at 30 lakh. Any bids coming in at all at 30 lakh? At 95 lakh. Let's see Mumbai's coming back. Fair warning then at 95 lakh. Done. Ahead of Mumbai then and selling then for Punjab unless anybody would like to come in. Fair warning and selling then to the Punjab team at 95 lakh. Sold to the Punjab team there at 95 lakh. RTM no, doesn't exist, so the player will stay with Punjab at 95 lakh. Thank you. Kuldeep Sen from India will be our next player, also starting at 75 lakh. Punjab Kings at 80. At 80 lakh then with Punjab now. I'm selling to Punjab if everybody else is completely sure. All through then and selling on my left ahead of all the other teams. Going once to Punjab and twice and sold to Punjab. It's yours Kuldeep Sen at 80 lakh. This is Harnoor Pannu from India. Harnoor Pannu, and we have an opening bid of 30 lakh please. At 30 lakh, do I have anywhere in the room at 30 lakh? At 30 lakh, any paddle at all? Any interest at all? Thank you Punjab Kings. All through, all done then. I'm selling on my left ahead of everybody else at 30 lakh to Punjab. For you Punjab at 30 lakh. Thank you. Next is going to be player 334. This is Suryansh Shedge. At 30 lakh, do I have any bids coming in? Don't see any paddles going up. Punjab Kings, thank you so much. Anybody coming in? If not, we will sell to Punjab at 30 lakh. Suryansh Shedge goes to Punjab. 30 lakh, thank you so much. 300. And let's open here at 30 lakh for Mushir Khan, please at 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, do we have any bids coming in? Punjab Kings, they do raise a paddle, thank you. Anybody else coming in ahead of Punjab? At 30 lakh now with Punjab and selling to the Punjab team if everybody else is completely sure. At 30 lakh, Mushir Khan goes to the Kings. For you Punjab at 30 lakh, thank you. Next is 366. This is Xavier Bartlett from Australia. And we can open here at 75 lakh please for Xavier Bartlett. Thank you Mumbai Indians at 75 lakh. At 80 lakh then it's with the Punjab Kings on my left ahead of Mumbai. At 80 lakh now, all through, all done. Last chance if you'd like to bid. The player will go to the Punjab team then all through and selling for Punjab at 80 lakh. Punjab, that is yours. Xavier Bartlett at 80 lakh. This is Paila Avinash. And let's open here at 30 lakh. Please at 30 lakh, do we have a bid anywhere at 30? At Punjab Kings now, we have 30 lakh. Anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 30 lakh, all done. We will sell then to the Punjab Kings. Last chance for anybody else. All through and selling to the Punjab Kings at 30 lakh. It's yours, Punjab, at 30 lakh. Thank you.